Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Sarah Widener. She is the director of the Health and Wellness Center there at the Medical Center. We're glad to have you today. We're going to talk a little bit about movement and physical activity, and I know you guys have a great event that people can take advantage of to get started if they're not in some of that movement.
Right. Yeah. So we know movement is it's important from head to toe. So for mental health, physical health, our bones, for everything, movement is important. We have our annual 10K coming up. So registration is open for our Med Center Health 10K Classic. And this is a great way to get active. So we have races for just about everybody. We've got our 10K run. We've also got our 10K wheelchair race. We've got our 5K run walk, and we have a children's race. So again, a little bit of something for everybody. And then if you don't want to participate in one of the races, you can also volunteer. So that's going to be September 19th, Saturday, September 19th, at the Bowling Green Ballpark. So that's where we'll start and finish the race, and all activities will take place there. If you do register, so if you are signed up for the 5K, the 10K, or the 10K wheelchair race, you do get to participate in our Health and Fitness Expo the night before. That's where you'll pick up your t-shirt, you'll pick up your race bib, and you get to participate in our pasta party the night before, where we'll also have some vendors as well. Registration for Early Bird will run until July 31st. So it's $35 for that race sign up, unless it's the Children's Classic, which is free. And that's for ages 5 to 10. But $35, that includes your ticket to the pasta party, that includes your race t-shirt, and then your medal day of race, and as well as a pre and post snack race snack.
I know a lot of people are probably watching and they're saying, I'm not a runner.
Well, there's a lot of us that there's a lot of people that aren't runners, but we know we need to be physically active. So we encourage walking as well. Walking is huge. It is huge for your health. Again, mentally, physically, so important. So come out and walk. Walk the 5K. If you're a really fast walker and can get the 10K done when the course is open, then do that as well. I'd also encourage that people get an accountability partner. So find a friend or a family member that will do this with you, because it is so much fun. And it's so much fun to get, to do something, feel that accomplishment, go across the start line, go across the finish line, get that medal for the day. And you're like, hey, look what I did for myself.
Absolutely. And I think having somebody to do that with you and go ahead and get started now. Walk to 10K even. I mean, you probably don't need to do it the very first day, right? You do need to do
Right.
some walking and working up
Right.
to that, but you could do that with a group of people, maybe from your office or your church. When you have some social aspect to it, some accountability, and then you get to accomplish those goals, I think that it might start a great tradition.
And hopefully some good habits along the way as well that you continue throughout the year. And that's so important. And if you do want to get out and do that, the course for the 5K and the 10K are posted on our website. So you can print that out and go walk the course so you know exactly what to expect. So we traditionally, and this is our 47th year, traditionally we've started with the 5K, but with us having the race now in September, where traditionally we've had it in the past in October, it is still pretty warm. So we're switching those races. We're going to have the 10K that'll start first. We'll start with the 10K wheelchair race, then the 10K, and then the 5K will take place last. So that will be a change for some of our very consistent participants. And all of that's posted, so you can see all of those times on our website. But that is a little bit of a change this year. So mch10k.com is how they can register. On that website, you're going to find all kinds of information because we have prize money. So we have early bird registration prize money. So if you register early, you're going to get in for a cash drawing. We have two $500 cash prizes that we'll give away for early bird registrants. You'll also see, if you are a 10K participant, what our race prizes are for that. So you can find all that information. You'll find start line, finish line info, where the pasta party is, anything that you could want. There's also our number on there in case you do have further questions. So you can call us or email us.
All right. Well, certainly appreciate the information and the bit of encouragement. Go ahead and get your accountability partner or your teams together and participate in this great community event. Thanks for visiting with us today, Sarah, and we certainly appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show. Have a great day.